Assalamualaikum. My name is ARDLEY bin REZALI, and today I would like to do a demonstration for my mobile application, which is about hotel booking. When the user opens the app, this is the first screen that they will see, and it will require them to sign up for an account. So I'm gonna do that first. So when they want to sign up, they will have to fill in their username and password. So I'm going to put in my username and password. So if both of the passwords are incorrect, are not similar, it will display an error message. So that is the error message. So I'm going to put in the correct password and then sign up. So it will automatically display a notifier. So I'm gonna click the back button and I'm gonna fill in the required information for the login. And similarly, if the username, if either one is incorrect, which is the username or password is incorrect, it will display a error message, just like that. I'm gonna change it to the correct password, and then it will display a notifier to notify the users that they have successfully logged in. So when they have logged in, at the very top of the screen is the header, which has the logo on the left hand side, and both the book now button and the logout button on the right hand side. And below of the header is the navigation bar, which have several links, which is the home button, the rooms, and the about us. So at the home screen, we have several information about the hotel, and it will display the facilities that is being offered at the hotel, and also an advertisement such as the ongoing promotion. So when the user wants to look at what are the rooms that is being offered, they can click at the rooms link, and it will display all of the rooms that is being offered. And the user can choose which rooms that fulfills their needs. For example, if they have 2 to 3 persons, they can choose the first room. Moreover, it also displays the price for the room per night. So we have 100 per night, and the second room is 200 per night. Also, it will display the details of the room. We have a swimming pool and one king size bed for the second room. Okay, so the next link is about us. If the user wants to know a little bit in depth about the hotel, they can click the about us link, and it will tell them about the history of the hotel and some awards and accolades that was received. So if the user have decided which room that they want to book, they can press the book now button at the top, and they have to fill in several informations. And firstly, they will have to pick their check-in date. I'm going to put 10th of July, and then the check-out date is 12th of July, and they can pick their preferred room and enter number of adult and number of children. And after that, they will have to press confirm details button, and it will calculate the number of days and the total price. And after that, they can press the confirm booking button, and it will display the room selected and the number of days and the subtotal. And below that, the customer will have to fill in their own information. So I'm going to fill in my personal information, my last name, address. Okay, so and my phone number. Sorry, email address. And this is the address. And the city that I live in, and the state, and the postal code. So I can click, so the user can either go back or proceed to payment, but I'm going to proceed with my booking. And after that, it will display the total, and the customer needs to fill in the information about their card. And the card number, and the expiration date for the card, and the CVV number, which consists of 3 numbers. I'm gonna choose pay now. And finally, it will display a notifier and the booking details of the booking. So it will display the full name, the room selected, number of days, check-in date and check-out date, and finally the total. So that is all for the application. So now I would want to explain a little bit more about the blocks of code. So here are the blocks of code that is being implemented for my project. Here for the booking receipt, I have used TinyDB to display all of the information, but the information is being obtained from the customer details. So when they have inserted their information, it will put in the TinyDB to store it. So here, as you can see, we stored the first name and the last name for the customer, and here is the error message. If all of the informations are not being inserted, it will display an error message. Okay. Apart from using TinyDB for the database, I also implemented Firebase, using Firebase for the verification of login and sign up. So this is the sign up, the blocks of code for sign up. Okay, so it will store in the database or Firebase the username and password, and this is the notifier to notify that the account has been made successfully, and this is the block code for the error message. Okay, now for the login, it will get the value from the Firebase based on the username that is being inserted, and below here it will display, this is the verification that was used. They would compare the username and password from the data from the Firebase, and here is the error message if either one of them is not true. And for the calculation, it is being implemented on the booking screen page. So here, if they, for instance, if they have selected EAG, the price will be initialized by a will be is initialized to a variable which is called price, and also the room choice will be also initialized. Okay. Okay. So beside it, here is the calculation that was implemented. To get the total of this, I have used the day for the checkout date to subtract it with the day of the check-in date, and then I will be multiplying the price that got from here, and I will multiply it by the number of days, and so here it will calculate the number of days, and here it will display the total price for the booking. And last but not least, I have used TinyDB here to store the values that will be displayed at the very last of the booking, the booking details. So all details is stored here, the total days, the price, room choice, and check-in date, check-out date, and all of that. So I think that is all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears, and okay, thank you very much.